Let's see how a scratches phone turned to grade A. This is a phone with much scratches. First, we must build waterproof by glue earpiece. Make sure no water goes into phones. Second, start the machine. The whole processing totaled 2 steps. Minus later all the scratches were gone. Let's see the results. A perfect screen. This is the most advanced technology at present. Let's see other samples. If you need more info, please feel free to contact us.